It's now time to add the front valance. Follow the journey. So for those of you that saw the video of the rear valance install that we just did, that was used with a Dremel tool. You could use it to cut the lines, be real precision. And we actually used a drill bit to start the holes. A 1/2 inch seems to work perfectly. Or what was it? Correction. It was a 5/16 drill bit that seemed to be almost perfect with the width that you'll need to cut for the plastic tabs for the inserts, if your trim doesn't already come with those already. But you have an option to use your Dremel tool to cut out the lines, or there's another option, no Dremel, no problem. Now my dad here had this great idea. As a repairman and a Mr. Fix-It, what he decided to do is, want to explain?
Oh. We just heat up. You got a utility knife, good leverage on the handle. Just a matter of just heating up the blade, both sides. You don't have to wait till it comes hot. Keep a constant candle. Get down there, follow your lines, top and bottom. To the wall, heat up the blade again.
Reapply.
When you finally get right through, the smooth cut both ways. Just a matter of just pushing this out with a little screwdriver head and peeling it off for a nice clean cut.
And it basically makes the bumper like butter. I mean, with that hot blade,
yep,
you get a clean cut, no electricity, just a candle, so the area smells good while you're doing it.
I'll just show you a quick one.
We'll do a quick demo right here to show you how to get these tabs out.
Heat up your blade. Get right on the line there and just trace it on down with your blade. I usually go 2 sides and I go heat up the blade again. A little bit more heat on that blade. Come back. Get the other side going across. That blade just goes right through the plastic.
Just like butter.
You add a little pressure to get it go through. You can keep running it again. The second time, pressing it through, you can feel it going right through the plastic.
Wow, look at that.
Guide it on down. Next side. Straight on down. Cross. Top and bottom. Then I had a little screwdriver, small little screwdriver head. If it's not, I'll just trim it a little more, but just look at that.
Wow, look at that.
You just push it out there, go underneath there, peel it off, and ta-da!
Precision. Precision.
Now, how long did that take?
That's my dad, ladies and gentlemen. I'm telling you. Mr. Fix-It. It's all about efficiency and finding a new way, and look at that.
Clean, nice,
two done.
Clean cut. Just like I know what I'm doing. Yeah?
No electricity, no Dremel, no problem.
No.
So here's the finished product from the inside. Yes, there is the fog light line, the LED line that runs to the other side, but there's 13 clips, 7 at the top. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 at the top, and then 2 on the sides and 4 on the bottom. And my dad did a wonderful precision job with the heated blade. Basically turned this plastic piece into butter.
See how clean it looks on the other side.
Yes. And from the front, oh wow, I think this is better than factory. So it's now ready for the valance to be installed and the clips applied. What we do now is we line up these different tabs with the holes, and then we apply these plastic fasteners there. And that's it. They line up perfectly. So there are indentations already on the inside of the bumper. There's little lines that show you where to cut. I just went with a black Sharpie to further enhance give it more of a visible line, a little bit of I guess a gloss finish as a guide. And now that it's complete, it fits perfectly. Big shout out to my dad for his wonderful help and the timing, also trying to help me to figure out how to take this bumper off.